Yo, what's good people, it's that Dutchavelli and I'm back with another banger, man. Now listen, I told you guys in the last video all of the lockdown essentials that you're gonna need to make sure you come out of the other side spinning. Okay? And in this video I'm gonna tell you exactly how to use them to make sure that you can maximize your waves. Whoa. To make sure that you can maximize your wave progress over this lockdown period, man. So make sure you smash the like button. Let's get 10 likes on this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Make sure you click that bell so you get notified every time I drop a banger, man. Videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Should I do a daily upload? Should I do an upload every day? Let me know in the comments if you want me to do daily uploads, man. If we get enough comments, I'll do it. Okay? But otherwise, videos every Tuesday, Thursday, man. We lit over here. It's that Dutchavelli. Let's get straight into this video, man. You know? Let's go!
And you what do for a decent house and a plate of food. Better don't make the news. That's raw.
Okay, man, so the first thing that you're gonna need in order to maximize your waves is to get every single product that I mentioned in the previous video. If you don't have these things, then you're not gonna be able to maximize your waves. So what you need to do is a card is gonna come up in the top right. Top right.
Stupid!
You're gonna need to click on that card, watch that video and get those essentials. I can't promise that they're all gonna be available next day now because you guys were lacking. You weren't subscribed or you didn't have post notifications on. Because of that, you didn't catch that video. So go check it now. Check the links in the description. You might be able to still get them. So once you have everything that you need, time to use them. I'm gonna give you guys the keys, man. This is a secret, okay? This is a secret, but I'm gonna tell you because I've got your back. Because I've got your back.
You know why? Because you're my best fucking friend, bitch.
So come in closer and listen carefully. Make sure you're listening, you know. If you're not listening, then I can't help you. So listen. You're gonna wolf.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You're gonna wolf, man.
The fuck is that?
I know you might be thinking, what the hell is that? I got you. Okay, so wolfing is the process of growing your hair out over an extended period of time while brushing, man. I probably shouldn't have told you that, but I'm telling you anyway, man. I'm telling you. And you know why I say it's a secret? Because I be seeing a lot of stuff. People saying, you gotta look crazy at the end of it, blah, blah. But they don't know that this is the perfect time. This is the perfect time to maximize your waves, man. There's never been a better time because normally there'll be stuff in the middle. You might want to get a line-up, you might want to get a haircut for other reasons. You can't wear a DURAG all of the time, right? But now, these are perfect conditions, bro. These are the perfect conditions, okay? So I'm going to tell you how to make the most of this, okay? So rule number 1 of wolfing, wear your DURAG, all right? Wear your DURAG as much as possible, especially if you're a beginner. If you're just starting out to get waves, if you're not brushing your hair, wear your DURAG because waves are laid down curls. So your hair needs to be trained to lay down, and the only way it can be trained to lay down is by wearing your DURAG. So if you're not brushing your hair, wear your DURAG, man. Wear it. That leads nicely onto the next point. If you're not wearing your DURAG, you should be brushing your hair, all right? And I'm telling you now, with the free time that we have, just brush, man. Just brush. You don't need to do too much. Half an hour to an hour a day. And you can spread it out over the course of the day. It doesn't have to be all in one block. Half an hour to an hour a day. Brush your hair, man. Brush your hair. Obviously, make sure you're using the right type of brush, okay? Make sure you're using the right type of brush for your hair type. If you want to know more about hair types and the brushes that work best with different hair types and textures, video in the top right. The top right.
You stupid.
Go check it out, man. That's gonna tell you what brushes are best for your hair types, man. So yeah, make sure that you're brushing, all right? And then finally, just make sure you're keeping your hair healthy, man. Simple. Make sure you're washing it every week. Wash your hair at least once a week. Throw a cold wash in there as well. Wash it with conditioner and keep your hair moisturized, all right? It's quite simple. If you wanna know how to do that, I got a video for you, man. I got all the keys. I got a video for you. It's gonna come up in the top right. Top right.
Come on, bro. You gotta get you together, boy.
Click on it. It will take you to the video. That's how you keep your hair healthy. And if you do all those things, trust me, you're gonna come at the end of this and you're gonna get a haircut, and you're gonna see waves. You're gonna see waves on waves on waves on waves. So talking about waves, I think I should show you mine. You probably want to see mine, right? So I'm finna show you my waves, bruh. I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know what it's looking like right now, but yeah. But yeah, that's what the waves is looking like right now. You know, I can't lie, I haven't been brushing as much as I should. Shh, don't tell nobody. But yeah, man, that's what they're looking like right now. You see me, I got my Tremere wave brush, man. I told you guys I was gonna do a review on this. It's coming, don't worry, man. But this is my favorite soft brush, man. I just be caressing my head with it. Ooh, just feel good, just do the job, man. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it for this video. I told you guys what products to use. I told you guys how to use them. And in the next video, again, the next video gonna be for my waves, man. I'm gonna tell you guys all about brushes. I'm gonna break down the brushes, how to use them, and the brushes that I use. Okay, simple. And that's it, man. It's been at G-Tile D. Make sure you like this video. I said 10 likes, let's get it. 10 likes on this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Big red button, click it. It's not hard, it's quick. It's quick. And while you're at it, click the bell there as well so you get notified every time I drop a video. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's been at G-Tile D. Wave to the world, and I'm out.